Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and I'd like to explain to you the differences between NordVPN and the Deeper Network. Okay, so NordVPN is centralized. They have servers set up all around the world, around 6,000 servers, but what that means is that you only have 6,000 choices to tunnel your traffic through. And what that really means is the entire user base of NordVPN will have to tunnel its traffic through one of these servers. The Deeper Network is decentralized. We have a distributed network in over 150 countries of over 100,000 nodes available online. You can choose to tunnel your traffic through over 100,000 different choices. The next thing is NordVPN is a subscription service. You cannot access the VPN without paying the monthly fees or weekly or whatever the fees are. You have to pay to be able to use the VPN. The Deeper Network is very different. You purchase a device and then you get the DPN for free for life. And the big thing that NordVPN boasts about is their dedicated IP address, which for an extra fee on top of your subscription service, you can pay to have an IP address that is most likely not going to get flagged, so you can still stream your favorite media in your favorite locations. But Deeper Network already does this for free. So once you connect to a user's node, you're connecting to a real IP address of that location. The streaming services are not going to get flagged, you're not going to get banned. You can stream anything that you want, whenever you want, without having to pay extra fees. NordVPN is a good service with a lot of features that you can use to protect your devices. The Deeper Network is a great service that you can use to protect your entire home network and everything connected. We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.